Good evening, everyone. Now, I want to share some ideas about how we develop our life. Developing our lives is a journey of growth and self improvement. It starts with self reflection, understanding who we are and what we want. By knowing our strengths and values, we make choices that align with our true purpose. Learning is also essential. Each new skill or perspective brings us closer to our potential. Setting clear, achievable goals gives us direction, allowing us to track our progress and celebrate each success along the way. Through challenges, we develop resilience, which helps us stay committed even when times get tough. Lastly, connecting with others and contributing positively to their lives brings fulfillment and purpose. Developing our lives means growing daily, reaching our goals, and making a positive impact on others. Thank you.